Look, look, you're missing it. Look.
What do they do with it?
It's supposed to pounce on it.
What game is this?
It's called Jitterbug. It's my first game.
Ooh, he's
Ooh,
good.
level 2.
Level 2 already. Look at that. Look, here comes the big yucky bug. Get it. Because I don't know about those bugs. Oh.
I should do this with my cats. They're probably not smart enough to figure it out. My cats aren't very smart.
Oh, Mary, get it.
Amy really likes it.
Does Emmy?
Yeah. Wooten had it out in hers.
No, don't eat the food. Oh, Mary, get it.
Are you gonna put this up on Facebook?
He used to go with somebody who likes.
Colin played Candy Crush when I had it on my computer. They'd be like hitting it.
He's so good. 3 of them at once.
So it was a nice cat once upon a time. I'm going to go get a pot to break some of the grease down in my belly. Oh, are we growing cat grass? Yeah. Is that what's going on here?
Oh, you won!